go zoom with the kitty so neat. Thick brown fur and quick little feet. Blue eyes shining, she's ready to ride. Laughing out loud with so much pride. White car whizzes with the big black dog. Long ears flying through the morning fog. Red eyes glowing, he's strong and cool. But friendly and kind, that's the rule. Round the bend and up the lane. Through the trees and past the train. Over the bridge and through the spray. They zoom and vroom the fun-filled way. They reach the end but no one cries. They high-five under the sunny skies. Let's race again, they